peg marks in the dark brown walls of typhoid Mary's little hovel underground. It's made from irises and mud, a little piss, a little blood, a line in red across the door. You'll cross her threshold and you'll ask yourself a question, and it's what's the smell that glistens all around? It's not the cauldron bubbling with its tiny kippers, or the bread that's in the oven getting warm. You'll find many peg marks in the dark brown walls of typhoid Mary's little hovel, like I said. They follow down the hallway, feel what they're playing, blow into them, and they'll sing the tune you know. Into the kitchen, behind the aprons and the knives, there is a door that wears a star on his head. You'll have to force him, mind your skill, and pass into. Underneath the pewter bucket, there's a glow. Take 3, no 2, and into 3. Tangle up the melody. You can lift the bucket from the hatch. The hatch will open with this talisman beneath your hand, and then the lock will break and reach inside. Oh, did you think you were alone, foolish man of flesh and bone, who strives to reach beyond the latch? I've moved my safe since then, and in its place a geyser. Reach on in and open there to meet your bride.